everyone, welcome back to my channel Preeti and I am Preeti. Well, today is our curtain raiser and today we'll be introduced to the media and what they say is we introduce you to the Kolkata people. So yeah, it's a big thing today and I don't know, this guy has to come today only. Well, this doesn't mean that I don't look beautiful. And the call time is around 12 p.m. and the media will come around 4 p.m. So yeah, I'm बहुत excited हूँ this time. I am excited throughout everything. But आज जो होने वाला है, maybe it will give us a break or somewhat people will get to know us and सबसे अच्छी जो बात लगी मुझे यहाँ से बहुत people will come who will select their faces from maybe some brands will make brand ambassadors from these 12 people. So maybe I can get lucky मुझे कोई अच्छा सा brand मिल जाए. Anyways, I did my breakfast, I did my shower. Abhi, we don't have to get ready, so I am not that tensed because the makeup artist and the hairstylist will come. Even my curls from yesterday are still intact. They'll put heat again and do my hair. After today, I'll go to salon again and I'll do something for my hair and skin क्योंकि थोड़ा सा care तो बनता है. So since आज press meet है, they told us to bring red or black dress if we have. So क्योंकि I think सारे people will be wearing black or red gowns. Okay, so I'm at the washroom. I just touched up and हम अब जा रहे हैं ऊपर. I'm late, I guess, but let's go. We are done with our rehearsals and now we'll quickly go to the washroom, freshen up and then we'll do our makeup. We had so good lunch and हमारे lunch में there was rice. पेट भर के खा लिया है. And now we'll go and get our makeup done and then we'll be ready. This is the dress I got. So this is the diamond jewelry I'm getting. My makeup is also done. tension. I'm feeling nervous for the first time in front of camera. Yeah, everyone is getting nervous. So, done with the day, and I'm heading back home. The day was nice. I won't say great, but nice. कल I didn't had any energy or any mental state to film or say anything. तो मैं सो गई थी आके. Now I want to share something with you guys. I know this is a very glamorous industry and the things and the staffs are very pretty from the outside, very sparkly. But it's not the same case every time. मैं जो बोलना चाह रही हूँ, yeah, of course, it's a thing that I am very passionate about and I love doing. But at the same time, कभी कभी मतलब ज़्यादातर ऐसा फील होता है that you're not good enough. I mean, अब जितना भी try कर लो, you're not good enough and you're not pretty enough. Uh, कभी ना कभी कहीं ना कहीं जाकर there will be people who are biased towards some people and that affects you. Also जब आप अपने learning stage में रहते हो, like you're not established in this field or anything, you're just starting off, people don't respect you. Like most of the people don't give a anything about you and don't respect you, so that thing hurts a lot. Yesterday was a glimpse of something, glimpse of the industry or something like that, and I was really upset for some behaviors and इसीलिए मैं वीडियो नहीं बना पाई. But I thought कि एक एंडिंग बनता है and it was like a weird ending otherwise. तो मैं आज ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ and I hope that you guys I just I could have like ended it there, but I want you guys to know the good part and the bad part both. बहुत सारे ऐसे लड़कियां भी देख रही होंगी जो aspire to be somebody or aspire to be here. तो उन्हें जानना चाहिए कि इंडस्ट्री मतलब कैसा होता है या फिर how it can make you feel. So you should be mentally prepared for that. It is not going to change, it is going to stay here. You have to prepare your mind and train your mind to not indulge in these stuff as much as I do. So yeah, that's that. Thank you so much for watching. Next जो मैं vlog बनाने वाली हूँ from Sharad Sundari, it will be again on 23rd. So मैं उसके बाद बनाऊँगी. बीच में I'll do workout. So I'm going to take 14 days weight loss challenge. Yeah, so I'll take you guys throughout that also. Yeah, that's the update. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all.